Yeah, there goes the sand again. Yeah, that's the sand blowing. It's nice and all, yeah. Where the water level has dropped. Got like leaning ice. Whoa. Something even cooler over here is the floods from last week. Frozen. Frozen. And these icicles are weird. Down there as well. Nothing above, no. It's like sulfur. That seems odd to me. Especially the next one. I guess that's what a normal one looks like. Don't like people. That was the female then. Oh, there she is. Oh. Got a cool headdress. Alright, go back to males or females. They are turning into problem in the Metas clouds. Remember it? What thing? Storm's here, look out.
Yeah, the birds are flying all that way.
Do you think it's going to be like that movie Tornado? Twister, sorry. My favourite movie, and I can't even get the name right. Right. Oh, look at those. Looks like we're moving past them.
No.
And these
Ooh.
are just the holy dawn. It's like the power fox, but it's like
Oh, the birds sound upset.
how long is it roller
You can look at the thing and see.
26 minutes.
Of course she does. She knows this fact.
What are you looking at?
Alex, don't shout.
Looking at?
What did you just say earlier?
You have text.
Daddy's the one who's got the boobs, not me.
No, you have the text.
The tits.
I don't know. The sun only just set, so it shouldn't be dark yet, but it's very cloudy, so. Getting pretty serious now. Woo. Colour, the phone doesn't show it, but the colour of the sky is very odd. Where are you going, Jet? Oh, the drains are regurgitating again.
Do you want anything here?
Oh yeah. It's a vape, right? Oof. That does not sound good. Oh, this is the worst one, isn't it? It's the worst one so far, isn't it? That we've been down here for.
I know, the one where Alex came with us was pretty bad.
It wasn't raining though.
It was raining. It's not raining that bad.
And the wind wasn't this strong. Watching we're more at the corner, we'll probably get eyes full of sand. I can hear the sound already. It's like crickets in the throat, you know? So hope the phone company's not lying here and they say this thing's waterproof.
You say what? Oh, waterproof.
Covering the charge socket just to be safe, but still. There goes the sand again. Yeah, that's the sand blowing. That's nice and all the way out.
Once you get here, it's fine.
Sheltered, as I said. Jeez Louise, Papa Cheese. That was fucking insane. Oh, waves might be getting a little tight below. Alright, I'm not going to bother filming all the way down, I'll just film when I get there now. Okay.
Oh, we're going to go all the way down.
Well, if you want. I was just going to film this bit here for a bit. And then turn the camera off for a while, let my phone dry out my hands. And then film when I get to the end. Just don't get the odd bit of sand in the rain. You enjoying yourself? You know, the tide's as low as it can be. The waves just look pretty damn impressive. Oh, head in, shall we? Yeah, love you. Oh Christ, it feels like the wind's blowing my feet. I feel like I'm walking like a puppet. Do you get the same problem?
What?
Your legs being pushed by the wind?
Yeah.
Very hard, like you're going to be blown away?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what big waves incoming? Can't see the Talbot in the distance like normal. Oh, what was that? Oh, wow, it actually splashed us from down there. Yeah. fun? Nose picker?
Yes.
Don't pick your nose.
Picking my nose with a bit of sunburn. She's lucky.
Oh,
You see the look she gave me?
I did. Debris. What's that?
Marie, that was one time at a Christmas party, and he was so drunk.
My very sexy husband, covered in semen.
And he apologized profusely. Plus, he's married with a family, so I'm sure he doesn't want to get sued.
That's the worst I've ever seen it.
It will not happen again.
I underfilled it. I didn't think it could do that.
Is money that tight?
Has it been dripping off the bottom as well? Yeah.
Yeah.
I just hope it doesn't like start dripping down the sides of the wall.
No.